that? What is that? A buyer's guide for Best Buy? For what? A phone? Lane, what are you doing? Well, guys, I'm looking into prepaid phones, and I went down to Best Buy today, and I figured that if I switch from AT&T to a prepaid plan like Virgin Mobile, I could save over half on my phone bill. We pay about 155 right now for 2 lines, and on Virgin Mobile, I could do 300 talk minutes with unlimited text and unlimited data for 35 bucks, and then times that by 2 because it's 2 phones, and that would be 70 bucks. So I ran it by Krista, and we started looking at it and see what's going on. And I went down there, and there's 2 phones that are interesting to me. Do y'all understand what this means? This means that I am gonna switch to Android as opposed to the iPhone. So this is what I found. I don't know. I guess I'm asking you guys' opinions because I'm kind of nervous about if I should. Because okay, let me give you guys my phone history. Whenever we first cell phones first came out, it was like those little dinky Nokia phones, and I held that for a while, and it took me a long time just to get onto that phone. Then I realized how bulky it was, and I was like, oh, cool, the Motorola Razr, that's super thin, and I can slide it in my pocket real easily, I'll go with that. Then I went to iPhone. So my whole history with phones has been those 2 dinky phones, and then the iPhone. And I've loved my iPhone. It's just expensive. So this is what we're looking at. These pictures are really small. I don't even know if y'all can see it. But the Virgin Mobile, you can do the HTC Evo 5 4G. That one's a little too expensive. There's the LG Optimus Elite, which looked pretty nice, and it's on sale. And then Krista would get this PCD Chaser thing, which is actually a new phone to Virgin Mobile. So those are the ones that we're looking at. If you guys have any information as opposed to how good they are, if they have the same type of features as the iPhone, doesn't have to be exactly. I just need, I do the videos, the mobile videos, and the pictures and status updates, and it has all that Facebook and Twitter and all that mess on there too. So I think these phones are going to be good. They're Android. That's the only thing, is that they're Android. And I can't say that I really had an Android phone before, but I've seen other people play with them and whatnot. So I'm just trying to decide if we want to do it. And I think we're going to do it. We're going to go down tonight to do the transaction, but I left my debit card at the house. So we'll see what happens. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe I might pull the plug. Maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I don't know. Probably sometime this weekend because that phone is off sale on Sunday. So I don't know. So I guess what I'm asking you guys, if you have any information as far as those phones or Virgin Mobile, if any of you guys are on Virgin Mobile, I was telling the guy about what we need and what we want, and he said, yeah, it looks like Virgin Mobile is going to be your best bet. So let me know if you guys have any experience with the Virgin Mobile. And I guess that's it. See y'all later. Bye.